we're going to see if we can get in and do the ride. Okay, so we're going into the Mexico Pavilion. Looks really nice in here. Really beautiful. It's all in the dark. It's all lit up inside. But I love the theming in here. It's absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Wow. So this is the restaurant you can come in later on for something to eat. And this is the entrance to the ride.
Inside the boat. And if you have children with you, please watch them.
Wow, this looks so amazing. So beautiful. Look at that. So over there is the restaurant. You come and have something to eat later. That's a really nice place to eat out. And this is the Mexico pyramid, the Mayan pyramid. Look at that. This is such a beautiful place to come and have an evening meal. I mean, look at that. Very romantic place to come and have a meal, isn't it? For you and your partner. Beautiful. Nice place to propose as well. So just got out of the Mexico Pavilion Gran Fiesta tour ride, and I'm really impressed with that. It's a really beautiful ride. It's an amazing place to come to just get out of the sun and just chill out and relax indoors, because it's all based on, like, it's all set in the night time here, and it's really cool and relaxing, and it's a lovely place to just come get out the sun and relax and cool down. And the boat ride is really beautiful, and it goes along past the ancient pyramid, and you've got a beautiful restaurant here where you can have a lovely meal overlooking that scenery, and yeah, it's fantastic. and we saw the pyramid they got here. Remember, beginning of this year, back in January, I went to the real one, the real ancient pyramid in Mexico, the Chichen Itza. I'll put a link down below if you want to watch the real video of the real place back in Mexico. I'll pop a link down below for you to check that out.